Hi, it's week 18 with my flow hive, and what I want to do is go over. Hi, it's week 18 with my flow hive, and this week I need to do a full inspection of the two brood chambers. Last week I took off my flow frames and added a medium super along with a hive-top feeder, so I want to see if they're drawing any comb on these frames at all. I kind of doubt they are, but that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to put some more feed to them. So it's time to get to it. Got the right hat on now. Oops. Oops. That's not the best place. Ow! Burnt my thumb. That was stupid. Well, they emptied that. Hungry girls. We'll see if they've drawn anything up here. I really doubt they did, though. Yeah, this is just empty. I want the bees to store nectar from the fall flow in this super. Hopefully they will. Okay, Queen Explorer decides to come along for the ride. I just want to look for evidence of a laying queen. Nothing else. Really purplize this good. Oh, they've got this packed in tight. Lots of brood. Lots of brood again. And larvae. Lots of larvae and capped brood. Happy, happy. Happy, happy. Eggs, tons of eggs. Wonder if the queen's on here. Really good pattern on these frames. My queen's not marked, so it's a little more difficult to spot her. This is a foundationless frame. That's all honey on this side. And honey on this side. Tried flat wax sheets in here, but they didn't like them too much. So I tore out most of it and let them draw their own comb. So let's see this one. Excuse me. You can get off me now, no stinging. Just tons of capped brood. Further along in development and larvae. Same thing here. This hive's about to bust open. There's so much capped brood up here in this brood box. They're being super gentle. Maybe it's because I'm being super gentle. I don't know. Lovely brood pattern. Same on the opposite side. Just covered with brood. This was one of the frames I let them draw their own comb out on. That's full of nectar or sugar water. Same on this side. They've got about 3 deeps in here now. This one, and this one, and this one. Actually, there's almost 4 deeps in this super that's full of stores, which makes me happy. Enough room for this other frame of brood to go back in. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, careful. So I don't feel like there's any need to go deeper. Do you think there's any need to go deeper? I got brood. Everything looks hunky-dory. Back on with the queen excluder and super. The hive-top feeder. It's got these great floating trays in it. I haven't really noticed any drowned bees. They seem to be able to get their way out. Like right now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bees underneath there. So I'm hoping that me doing this doesn't drown them. It didn't last time. So I'm putting the sugar water in. They're usually able to climb up around. I'm going to put a ½ gallon in this side. You can see them coming up around. Sometimes they get a little stuck. Come on out. You can get out of there. And then a ½ gallon in on this side. And then I got to cover this up real quick because I don't want anybody to start robbing or thinking about robbing. There comes another one up. They're able to work their way up most of the time. Here comes one. Come on out, you. Come on, I'll help you. There you go. Oh, sorry. Come on out. I hate that some of them probably drowned. Okay, girls, you get to go back home. There, that's that. Everything looked good in the brood boxes. Well, I only checked one because I didn't feel a need to go any deeper. Awesome brood pattern. Lots of eggs, lots of larvae, lots of capped brood, lots of gentle bees. That makes me really happy. These have not been touched by the bees. I don't know if they're going to draw this out or not. They have a hard time drawing comb during the dearth. I'm hoping that the feed kind of spurs them on to draw some comb on here. I want this to be their winter stores. Despite the fact that they have plenty of stores down here, it looked like there was almost 4 frames of nectar and honey in this brood chamber. I'm sure there's some down below, but no need to go look. But that's that. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please make them. If you saw any mistakes I made or have any suggestions, I would welcome the feedback. And be sure and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.